Red Breaks Canyon in the Escalante area of southern Utah has one of the most photogenic sections of canyon that I've ever seen. Red Breaks has an excellent loop hike through the upper part of its two west forks. The shortest approach is from the old Sheffield Road and Spencer Flat, parking at the end of the road at an old drill hole site. From there, you'll need to navigate with map and compass, following cairns and trails that are indistinct at times. Lots of cryptobiotic soil on the hike across, which is a living organism, so careful where you step. We've been following a vague trail with cairns on and off from the butte, but generally we've been following the compass and the map. The Western Fork has a beautiful section of narrows in the upper end. Guidebook author Michael Kelsey calls this the Big West Fork to differentiate it from the next fork east, which is still in the western part of the drainage. For those seeking a technical canyon hike, you can continue hiking across to the next fork, descend that, then up climb through the Big West Fork. About 45 minutes from the car at Spencer Flat to here, the main West Fork. We're going to cut across here. It's been a good distinctive trail the whole way. A lot better than 5 years ago when we were last here. So we're going to exit there at the tree, up Slick Rock, and then cross over into the next fork. Well, it's a very quick up and over into the next fork. They are significant creeks, so that'll help when you're walking across to navigate. We're about an hour from the car to here, and we're coming in right at the top of the canyon. It looks good already. Okay, so start of the canyon. We're just going to down climb on the left here, and then we're in. Actually climb down just a bit of a ramp there, difficult with the sun contrast. The West Fork has some squeezy narrows high up where you'll need to move through sideways. It's way better than I thought it would be. Well, there's a bit of a rock fall here and lots of wedged chalk stones. Might be possible to go under, otherwise we'll go over. We decided to go under, but I figure we probably should have gone over.
Well done, Romeo. Not so graceful, huh?
Definitely should have gone over. People have actually repelled that. You can see where they've pulled their rope. It's actually a very easy down climb. I should have gone and scouted that out a bit more. After probably half a mile of shoulder-wide narrows, we do seem to be emerging back towards the sunshine. And the canyon's opened up just as the fork is about to join. This bush has been slung with tape. It's not too bad at all. Mel's down climbing. We'll lower Ryan on the rope. Oh, it's going to be a fast slide, Mel said. Here we go. Fast slide and jump. See what I can do there. It's recommended to bring a short rope for this drop, although it can be down climbed part way before a final short slide. There is a small bush above the drop that can be used as an anchor. Canyon walls open up to be very flat. I'm going to wander down here, looking for a fork coming in on our right, looking down canyon. Well, there's our fork coming in at a dry fall. I'm just going to wander downstream, down canyon a little bit further, and you can walk down canyon another 200 yards to find an easy slick rock exit that allows you to gain access to the other fork, the Big West Fork. Wander up the Big West Fork for a couple of hundred yards where the walls will soon narrow in and present you with several up-climb challenges. A couple are quite strenuous and awkward, so this is recommended for experienced parties confident in technical chimney climbing. Here's our first challenge, which isn't much of a challenge, just walk around the side. Soon you'll find another climb. This upclimb is the most awkward. Not difficult, just awkward because it's so narrow. Easy without a pack. I've had a few skinny bits. Opened up a little bit here. There's a very good section weaving around.
Okay. Don't put your hands in the bird poo, right? I'll help you through.
The canyon turns into a lovely winding dark corridor, very picturesque.
Yeah, you can pretend that too.
The whole hike took us 6 hours 20 at a leisurely pace. Well, that was the second strenuous climb, not difficult at all, but you're just going sideways, scraping through with your chest touching both sides and trying to get your feet up, and typically your legs are in the wrong, your feet are pointing the wrong way. So that strenuous up climb would fancy a bit of a ride for a while. After emerging from the dark section, the canyon has beautiful water sculpted lines, very photogenic.
Definitely not blue.
There is one final upclimb challenge that requires a couple of friction moves where it helps to have good rubber soles. Oh, that's it, we've completed the loop, back up out of the canyon, 45-minute walk back to the car. Red Bricks is an excellent canyon hike with beautiful photogenic narrows high up in the Big West Fork. Technical canyoneers will enjoy the full loop hike that takes in both of the West Forks.